When multiplying decimals, we want to follow these steps. We want to first write the number with the most digits on top. What property of multiplication lets us know that the order of the two factors does not matter? I can say 3 times 4, or I can say 4 times 3. I'm still going to get 12 because of the commutative property of multiplication. So if I change the order of the factors of which the numbers I multiply with decimals, it's still going to give me the same answer. It's just easier to multiply when the larger number of digits is on top. And I'll show you what I mean. Number 2, you're going to multiply just like normal. And then number 3, we need to then move the decimal in the answer to the left. And I'll show you how we do that. Let's look at an example to see. We've got 0.36 times 4. 0.36 has 3 digits. The number 4 is 1. So I want to make sure to put this number on top. You will notice already something different than adding and subtracting decimals. When multiplying, the decimals do not have to line up. You multiply just like normal. 6 times 4, 3 times 4 plus 2, 4 times 0 plus 1. Step number 3, move the decimal in the answer to the left. How do you know how far to the left you need to go? You count the decimals in the factors. This one has 2 decimals. This one has 0 decimals. We add the number of decimals in the 2 factors. There's only 2 decimals. So I move my decimal to the left 2 times. Let's do another example together. $48.2 times 3.9. I'm going to come out to the side and I'm going to rewrite it. This time, the decimals did end up lining up, but remember, they don't have to before you can begin multiplying. You multiply just like normal. 18, 9 times 8 plus 1. 9 times 4 plus 7. Give yourself a placeholder here and multiply. We can cross these off because we've already added those. Multiply 3 times 2, 3 times 8, 3 times 4 plus 2. We're going to add. Now I need to count the decimals in the 2 factors. This one is 1 decimal. This one has 1 decimal. We add the decimals. There are 2. So then I move my decimal 2 places in my answer. What happens if I move the decimal and there are no numbers left? Let me show you. Let's look at this example. Come out to the side and rewrite it. Remember, your decimals, when you're multiplying, do not have to line up. 3 times 2, 4 times 2. Anything multiplied by 0 is just going to be what? 0. So I count the number of decimals, the two factors. There's 1 in this one. So I need to move the decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, it really needs to go here, but there's not a number here. What do we always put as our placeholder? You can add a 0. And that's how you multiply decimals.